Hello friends, in my earlier video I have given a brief introduction about the cell, its structure and functions, right? In that we were studying about the typical plant and animal cells, right? Now we are going to see cell membrane, its definition, and in detail we are going to study. From the different parts of plants and animal cell membrane plays a vital role. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane, and in the earlier classes we have observed in the typical structure of plant and animal cells that cell membrane is the covering of animal cells, and whereas in plant cells there is another layer which is present over the cell membrane known as cell wall. While defining what is cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell that separates cytoplasm from the external environment, and it is a flexible membrane which is made up of mainly lipids and proteins. Cell membrane has several characteristics and functions. Now we are going to discuss about the functions of cell membrane, which includes it defines the shape and size of the cell, it encloses the cytoplasm and protects it from the external environment. Because the internal environment of the cell is different from that of the outside environment. Inside a cell, one can easily find a very specific composition of various substances which maintain a balance of the cell. And the cell membrane, it plays a crucial role in the maintenance of the balance. These are all the functions of the cell membrane, and even we are going to study one of the unique characteristic of this as cell membrane acting as a selectively permeable membrane, because any substance which is entering and leaving the cell can do so only through this membrane. They can pass only when this membrane allows them. Okay, the uniqueness of this membrane lies in the fact that it does not allow every substance to pass through it, because the exchange of substances through the cell membrane happens very selectively. Hence it is known as selectively permeable membrane, and this characteristic of the membrane will enable it to control the exchange of substances between the cell and its external environment. This is the unique character of the cell membrane which I have discussed here. Okay. However, we can observe the cell membrane only through an electron microscope. Let us perform an activity which can observe the cell membrane. So here we are going to take a Rio leaf, then tear the leaf in such a way that in single stroke we can get the peel out of it. Okay, then observe it under the light. Take a small piece of leaf peel with a light colored transparent portion, because there are dark and light portions in the leaf peel, which we are taking a light portion. Okay, then put it on the slide and put a drop of water on it and cover it with the help of cover slip on that slide. Okay, then observe the lighter portion of the leaf under the microscope, then draw the results which you find. In the next step, we have to prepare a salt solution. How can we prepare a salt solution? First of all, alright, we have to take a 50 ml of water and dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in it, and then we have to stir it keenly. Okay, then put 1 to 2 drops of dilute salt solution on the membrane and leave it for the 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can observe these two diagrams which can be found under the microscope. The first one is without the dilute solution and the second one is with the dilute solution. So when we put salt solution over the peel of Rio leaf, water which is present inside the Rio leaf will come out from the cells. So it results in the shrinking of the cytoplasm, which you can observe in the second diagram. Shrunken cytoplasm, it is labeled there, and the outer boundary of colored area, which is actually the cell membrane or plasma membrane, which became separated from the cell wall. Okay, so however, you observe all this under the electron microscope, then you can get a clear idea about what is cell membrane and its various constituents and all. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it meaningful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so as to get all my recent and new updates. Thank you.